So the next problem is Roman to integer. In this, the input is given into Roman format and we have to find the output in a normal integer. So input number 1 is 3i. 3i means 3. So and next input is LV triple I which is 58. So let's move on to the approach. In this example, L is 50. So 50, then V means 5, then these 3 means total is 58. In the Roman numbers, we have to understand that it follows larger to smaller ratio. Means L means 50, then next will be 5. If it is VL means first is 5 then 50, it means that it is 45. So let's understand it by the second example. MCMXCIV. The answer will be 1994. Here M is 1000 and C is 100. So it can be added. So 1100. Then move on to M. Sorry, 110. Then M. M is 1000. But M is 1000. But 100 is less than this. So here 100 will get subtracted. Then X. X is 10. It is smaller than this, so get added. Then C. C is 100. So 100 is greater than 10, so this will get subtracted. Then I. I means 1. 1 is smaller, so get added. Then V. V means 5. But 1 is smaller than 5, so it will get subtracted. So overall answer is 1000 minus 100, then 1000 minus 10 plus 100 minus 1 plus 5 means this is our answer. Let's code. First of all, we will have to make an unordered map. In this, we will put the character first and corresponding value. Let's initialize I starting from 1 and int sum starting from 0. So write a for loop for I which is less than the size as it is a string, so we will use length. So if umap of s of I minus 1 is greater than or equal to umap of s of I. If this is true, then sum is equals to sum plus umap of s of I minus 1. We will initialize the I. If this case doesn't fall. So we will write sum is sum minus u map of s of I minus 1. So also initialize I here. So for the last case, as I is equals to 1, and this will check I minus 1 and I, the last case will get remain. So sum is equals to sum of that u map of s of the last index means s dot length minus 1 will get added. So return the sum, run the code as it is accepting all the cases. So let's submit. It is submitted successfully. So thank you.